Hey science lovers, it's Becky with Lab Rat Academy, and I am teaching a humongous frog dissection here at this co-op at this church, and you can see that we are doing some fun dissections. Take a look. Smile. Oh.
Fly. Ours is a fly. Yep.
We are now opening up the coelom, which is where all the vital organs are in the frog.
Froggy.
Even when we do it in large groups, we can still see what we need to see and get the assistance that we need to dissect and look at it.
The liver is blocking.
Even some of the kids are grossed out, but they're still able to have a lab partner that can help them along.
See something big inside the stomach.
Insects like crickets.
What about this?
Wow, science is so amazing. I hope you guys have a beautiful day. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.